Imagine you've just moved into a new apartment. You've unpacked your boxes, set up your furniture, and even hung some artwork. But there's one crucial detail that's still missing. Your phone number. You know you have an Ooma phone, but for the life of you, you can't remember the number. This is a common dilemma for Ooma users. Maybe you've forgotten your number, or perhaps you're new to Ooma and don't know how to find it. Whatever the reason, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to find your Ooma phone number. Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to give out your phone number, but it was completely blank in your mind? It's a frustrating experience, especially when you're trying to connect with someone important. Ooma is a popular VoIP voice over Internet Protocol service that provides affordable phone calls. It's a great alternative to traditional landline phones, offering features like call forwarding, voicemail, and even video calling. One of the first things you'll need to do when setting up your Ooma phone is to choose a phone number. This number will be used for incoming and outgoing calls. Finding your Ooma phone number. Method 1. Ooma Dashboard. The easiest way to find your Ooma phone number is to log into your Ooma dashboard. Here's how to do it. Open a web browser and go to https://www.ooma.com. Log in to your Ooma account using your username and password. Navigate to the My Numbers section. This is typically located in the main menu or under the Settings tab. Your Ooma phone number will be listed here. You can usually find it under the heading Primary Number or Main Line. Finding your Ooma phone number. Method 2. Ooma Mobile App. If you have the Ooma mobile app installed on your smartphone, you can also use it to find your phone number. Here's how. Open the Ooma mobile app on your phone. Tap on the My Account section. Look for the Phone Numbers tab or a similar option. Your Ooma phone number will be displayed there. Additional tips. Save your number. Once you find your Ooma phone number, make sure to save it in a safe place. You can write it down, save it to your phone's contacts, or even set it as your phone's wallpaper. Check your Ooma welcome email. If you're having trouble finding your number, you might be able to find it in the welcome email you received when you first signed up for Ooma. Contact Ooma support. If you're still having trouble, don't hesitate to contact Ooma's customer support. They can help you find your number and answer any other questions you may have. Finding your Ooma phone number is a simple process that can be done in just a few minutes. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to locate your number and start making calls. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.